guys, I would like to explain to you what we're doing here. We are going to make a web scraping using Selenium. So I'm importing Selenium, I'm importing WebDriver, which is going to be what's a driver for us to perform whatever we want. And then we're going to import the next one from Selenium WebDriver, Chrome services or service import service, right? So we're going to import the service. We're going to import also Selenium, a common by. We're going to import by, and this is for us to manipulate the DOM. Then we're going to import time, so we're going to actually give some time to the tasks. BS4, beautiful sub, for us to obtain data. Request, this is for the HTTP request, and then the rest of them are pretty much, well, I'm actually having one that I have to delete. It's repeated, but it's pretty much for us to access to the Google Sheet and paste all the information that we from the internet, right, from the website. In this task, we are going to send a request with a header. And the header is going to say the specifications regarding Mozilla, accepting Mozilla, and all the rest of the specifics. Also accept English, but it will be also interpreted towards another language, right, properly. And then the response, right? This is only the header, and then with that, the response requests. Remember that we imported requests, and we are saying request get, okay, and we're going to go to the Zillow clone, which is a website that we actually had implemented. And I'll show you the website right now. This website has a lot of prices that we want to know about houses for rent and for selling. So we want to get this information and paste it into a Google Sheet so that we can actually have the most relevant information, right? So we are going to create then the data, which is response.text, and then the soup, which is going to grab data and it's going to parse the HTML. And then all link elements is going to be equals to sub select. And we are going to scrap the exact place where our text is located. Remember that we have to go to the website and we have to click inspect element, and then we have to locate the label or the class that we want to scrap. And then we're going to say that all links is equals to square brackets link square brackets reference for a link in all link elements. So go over all elements, each of them, and try to extract the link. Input it in all links, which is going to be converted into a list, right? And then print all links in the console. This is pretty much a repeated process for all the information that we're going to grab, right? We just need to change the location or the type of label or element that we are going to scrap, right? In this case, we are going through the addresses, and we are doing the same, right? Get all addresses and put it in all addresses element or all address element, and then go to all addresses, and then get the text of the address, replace it by this symbol, right? Or replace the symbol, which is this line, to a space, and then strip that strip, that means that you have to actually delete whatever space can cause any conflict, right, or any extra space, and then print everything. And the same thing with the all price elements, right? We're gonna grab the price, of course, so we're gonna actually have all prices equals price get text, and then also replace the /mo for in the space, and then split it with in this case this element, right, in the position 0, and then go for price in all prices, and then print it all. We're gonna print it all at the end, right? And then we are going to save the data to Google Sheets. And this is the very nice part, right? We're going to save the data to Google Sheets. So the scope will be our googleapi.com, right, spreadsheets. This is these two are the two addresses or the two scopes that we want to reach. We want to get authorization to the drive, and we want to get authorization to the spreadsheets, to manipulate spreadsheets. And then we're gonna say credentials is equals to credentials from service account file, and then we're gonna have a credential JSON that I will show you later, or I will show you in this video how I was able to get these credentials out of the Google Cloud, right? You have to understand Google Cloud, you have to follow some steps. And then sheet equals to client, open the sheet called Zillow scrap data, and then you have to clear the sheet just in case that nothing appears there, and then add all the rows. We're gonna paste all the rows, and at the end we say data successfully inserted into the Google Sheet. Which tech are you learning right now? Follow my channel, like, and comment.